This is the most scalable method of setting homes. With the shrinking labor pool, you have less people that have to do more homes each. So companies that used to set 100 homes will maybe be able to do 300 homes a year now with the same staff, or with the reduced staff to be able to continue to do 100 homes a year. So there's definitely that efficiency, which is hugely attractive.
Using an excavator and a hydraulic drive, typically a 2-man crew can actually install the foundation, and then we need a 3 or 4-man set crew. But again, there's no heavy lifting. All they have to do is pull up the internal extension and clamp onto the I-beam of the home.
I think the ease of installation and the ability for 2 gentlemen to get in here in a very quick time frame and get this system in the ground, that's just not something that we're able to do with the old system in concrete.
For a community owner, it means they can have that home set and ready for someone to move in immediately, so they can start collecting rent immediately, as opposed to waiting a month, 2 months, realistically up to a year sometimes, using traditional setting methods.